Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lund's Cooking. Today we're going to make homemade chicken noodle soup. All you're going to need is 2 bouillon cubes chicken, 1 small onion, 1 can of cream of chicken soup. You're going to need shredded carrots. I'm doing 3 jumbo eggs in it, 3 chicken breasts, and half a bag of your wide egg noodles. Okay, what I've done is I've taken my 3 chicken breasts, rinsed them off, and I've filled the pot up with about halfway full. I added the 3 eggs in there, and they will cook with the chicken breasts until they're done. So all we're going to do now is just wait for this to boil. Okay, we have boiled our chicken. We have shredded up our chicken. And now all we're going to do is the onions that we had, and we've done the eggs as well. They've already been cut up. So first thing we're going to do is put all our onions in the pot, because we've got to get them softened up a little bit before we add the noodles and all that. So we're going to get that going, and then we're going to add in 2 of our chicken bouillons to it as well, and that's hot, so be careful. Do it like this, and it'll splatter all over. And we're going to get this to boiling. Once this starts boiling, then we will add in our chicken and our carrots. Okay, after we did our onions and our chicken bouillon, I'm going to add half a bag of shredded carrots. You can use regular carrots and just cut them up however you like. But we're going to use about half a bag in them. Then we're going to add in our chicken that we've already cooked. And then we're going to add in our egg that we've boiled. And after this, it's all going to get stirred around in here. Once those get soft, and then we're going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup to it. The noodles don't go in till very, very last. And we're just waiting on it to boil. Okay, now we've got everything in here except for the noodles. We just had to wait for the cream of chicken soup to just incorporate with the water. So at this point, we're going to take half a bag of noodles and pour it in. And then we're going to turn this down to a low temperature and until the noodles are done. Okay, our soup should be done. Take the lid off, and yeah, this is our chicken noodle homemade soup. And this, you can actually, if you make a huge pot, you can actually freeze this, and it warms up really good. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.